Hey everybody, my name is Robert. This is my oldest son Jesse, and he's going to show you how to install something that you really want to have for this laptop. So what do we have?
The case for the new 2021 16-inch MacBook Pro.
Exactly, my MacBook Pro.
Yeah.
So there was no case on it, and these are slippery. I don't know why. They always make this kind of material slippery, and they can scratch, get banged up, etc. It's a lot of money on it. So I went ahead and went to my trusty old Amazon. I'll put the link in the description where to get it, but he's gonna take it out the case, show you how to do it, and go from there. Let's go.
Yeah. Okay. Now I carefully get the case out. Now I'm gonna use some piece right here.
Yeah, they come in different colors.
Oh, it comes with the keyboard cover.
Yeah, keyboard cover. So if I ever spill anything,
yeah,
which I have on my old MacBook, and that actually saved my life, or the MacBook, I'm gonna go ahead and use it as well. It kind of impedes a little bit on typing, but it still goes. Oh, is that screen protector?
Maybe for a Mac.
Wow, this thing actually comes with a screen protector. Screen protector, a webcam cover.
This
little bit. Jeremiah's a little bit hungry. Yeah, he's gonna be too soon. Little bit here. You go take this. Go watch the TV. All right. So this is the bottom cover, nice and clear. Probably is gonna be fingerprints, but I care about more protecting the MacBook than anything, and it's got vent holes everywhere, or where you need them, I should say.
Carefully, got it.
The laptop stuff has rubber feet, but I guess obviously when you put this cover on, you need rubber feet again. So hopefully these don't come off. I had other ones that do come off. This is silicone, pretty flexible. If you have any spills, it'll help keep it from going into crevices or anything. They added this guy too, a webcam cover.
Yeah.
All right, let's get this on.
I'm gonna make sure the tabs right here go aligned. And the back one has no tabs right here, so it can be able to open clear. Now I'm gonna carefully snap the pieces.
Jeremiah's just grouchy. Oh yeah, it just snaps on now. These have rubber feet. Old MacBooks didn't, or at least my old one. So you know which way that goes? You think it's that way or the other way?
It goes like this because the other side is space. It has to have space right here for the lid to open.
Oh, okay.
That's why. I'm gonna carefully snap the lid. I'm gonna carefully snap the lid right here. There's some clips right here. There's some pieces that slide.
That one doesn't snap as hard, huh?
Yeah.
But it's still snug, huh? Yeah.
Yeah, this is the clips right here.
Oh, that one doesn't snap as hard, but it's pretty snug.
Yeah. It's
all right, flip it over. Let's see. Oh, yeah. So,
that's
not as slippery, still a little slippery.
Yeah.
But nice and clear. You get to see my logo.
Yeah.
Now I protect from scratches. In case.
Yeah.
Inch it down. And then we got this thing. Is that the right cover? Oh, it is.
Yeah.
Nice.
And the Touch ID is not interfering.
And so they leave it so that way you could do the Touch ID.
Yeah.
Nice. Where is that webcam?
Right here in the middle.
Could that actually fit? I guess so. Kind of weird though.
Yeah.
I wonder how it does with the screen protector though.
Wow.
Is my screen clean?
I see some fingerprints on it.
Just wipe it here.
That's the maximum.
Are they?
I don't know.
I think they're yours.
Or mom.
Anyways, I'm really sucky at this part.
And now it's on.
Well, I suck at that. What do you say, Jesse?
Okay, thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel. Make sure to like the videos and make sure to tap the bell icon for all videos, for future videos, and peace out.
Peace out.